I have one question considering the exit plan in investing in any company. How can we know that this was a bad investment idea and should we get rid of it? Yeah, great question, great question. So I provide my students with a ton of templates. And one of the templates I have is a template for writing up your investment report for a stock. Right? In my MBA program, I have a one-page template, and in my MBA program, I have a 150-page template as well to do thorough research. And what I recommend you do is you at least write a one-page write-up on a stock before you buy it, okay? And then what happens is, let's say a year or two from now, you own the stock, and you're freaking out because it's going down a lot. And there's a new development, news item that scares you. If that happens, I want you to go back and look at that one-page template or your report. And I want you to read it and think to yourself, 2 years ago when I made this one-page write-up, if I had known about that news item, that risk that was just released and the stock make it go down, if I had known about that when I made this report, would I still have bought the stock? If the answer is yes, buy more. If the answer is no, be unemotional and sell it. The same thing when it comes to starting a company. Give it 2 years. Always give it 2 years. Okay. Write the business plan thoroughly first. And I walk you through how to do that in my venture capital boot camp in the 3rd semester of my MBA program. Write the thorough business plan. And then 2 years later, have a sanity check, or kind of like the Senate, which is a sober second look from a legal perspective. So take a look at it 2 years later and think to yourself, okay, I've been running this company now for 2 years. 2 years ago when I wrote this business plan, if I had known about all the challenges that I uncovered in the past 2 years, would I still have started this company? If the answer is no, be unemotional, pull the ripcord, move on.